Kitty, are you not happy with that? Huh? Oh, Kitty, Brutus. Brutus. Kitty, 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 kitty. Go get Brutus. Go get Brutus. Go get Brutus. Go get Brutus. No, not too hard. Just say hello. Oh, Brutus, you're fine. You're fine, Brutus.
Are the fish slices just to eat? Or are you going to put them with a dessert or something? I don't know.
Is Brutus not happy? Oh, Brutus? Brutus, you're not happy? No. Fine. Coco, don't lick my hand. All right, Merry Christmas, Brutus. Fine.